Well, by the way, we have this beep card.
Yes.
You can load this Hotel Sogo beep card, which you can also use as a discount card in any
Wow.
Hotel Sogo branches. Bilisan na natin.
Oh, really? Agad.
You can use
Beep,
this
beep.
as a payment for MRT, LRT fare.
Wow, so they have
So you can
their,
load the
Yes.
money here. Paki-explain nga mabuti.
There are different loading medium. We have through GCash. We have also through the station itself. Na ibibigay lang nila para mag-load.
So instead of a GCash card,
they just load this.
Yes.
Load here,
You
then use
load
it
mo
for
na?
Yan ang,
payment.
yan ang ipapasok natin sa ano.
Parang-
kargahan mo pa rin ng pera.
Opo.
parang-
Kala ko may pera na.
parang debit card.
Meron kaming mga ganong campaigns and different activities in different areas na may load na. May free load na. Kasi
But that's good kasi pag papasukan mo, kasi minsan pag wala kang wifi, hindi ka makapag-GCash eh. And then sometimes it's so hard to do the QR code. So maganda na to, kargahan nyo na to,